Hi everyone, today we're going to be reading Diary of a Worm by Doreen Cronin. October 3rd. Today is Thursday. It's almost the weekend. I love weekends. I get to hang out with Spider and Fly. I wish we went to the same school, but I guess that wouldn't work. I can't see Fly in squirming class. And I already know that Spider can't dig. October 4th. We had a sub at school today. Mrs. Mulch took the day off for her birthday. I didn't know teachers had days off or birthdays. The sub said, why don't you have a party for Miss Mulch on Monday? After lunch, everyone talked about what they were going to give Mrs. Mulch at the party. A fuzzy mold pillow, an eggshell candy dish. Me? I had tons of ideas. October 5th. What to give Mrs. Mulch? A dung ball paperweight, silk slippers, trash splash perfume, or a gum wrapper scarf. My gum wrapper idea isn't bad, except my dad just ate the last gum wrapper. Oh, I have to think of something. Mrs. Mulch is the best teacher I've ever had. I woke up worried. One more day until the party, and I was still stumped. To take my mind off my troubles, Spider and Fly picked me up to go kite flying. Even that didn't cheer me up. Thanks for trying, guys, I said glumly. Just then, Fly spotted something with one of her zillion eyes. Hey, what's that? She said. It was an apple, a big, red, shiny one. Teachers love apples. But wait a second, was it rotten? Spider took me down to check. I poked the apple. Squish, it was rotten, all right. Yes, hooray, the perfect present at last. Now I just had to get it to my school. I pushed, Spider pulled, Fly cheered. It took forever, but we made it. October 7th, party day. I was feeling good. Then I heard someone say, I found a great card for my gift. Mrs. Mulch will love it. Card? Uh-oh. Lucky for me, I hadn't eaten breakfast yet. I finished just in time. Mrs. Mulch was thrilled. I gave her 3 things in one: a birthday gift, a birthday card, and a birthday surprise.